Okay, so if you want to embed this on your site, and I'm going to use card in this example, you would click on this little share icon and head to the embed tab and grab either this code, or you can grab the iframe version. I want this iframe, so I'm just going to grab this URL, copy and paste it into, I'm going to add an embed element, and I'm going to make this an iframe type, and I'm going to paste that URL here. You can mess with the height and the width if you'd like. And then click done, publish, or save and then publish. Let's view on site. And now when we scroll down, you can see the FAQs here. And you can add maybe a header that says FAQ or something along those lines. So let's say you want to continue building onto this FAQ portion and keeping it updated. I will show you in the next part a quick workflow where you can do that. So I'll see you there.